Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Island Fever Artisan. Today we're going to be making a Blueberry Tarragon Gin. This is one of my favorite infusions. I'm really excited for it. It comes out to be like such a cool color and flavor. It's really delicious. If you can't find fresh tarragon sprigs, I put the amount for dried tarragon in there, so you can find that at your supermarket or order it online. We're going to kind of go through the video quickly on how to do everything, and then there's going to be a recipe at the end. Kind of makes for a quicker, faster paced video. Just trying new stuff out, you know? If you like it, let me know. If you don't, tell me I suck. Let's have some fun and make some Blueberry Tarragon Gin. First thing we got to do is cook our blueberries down. Stir that frequently until some liquid forms at the bottom and they've been cooking up real nice. Remove that from the heat. I like to transfer it to a different bowl while it cools to room temperature. Alright, we have 4 sprigs of fresh tarragon or 2 teaspoons of dried tarragon. Grate up a lemon zest. Then grate up your ginger. Toss everything into a half-gallon jar. Throw in a bottle of gin, shake it up, and you're ready to roll. We're going to infuse this for 4 days. 4 days later, we're going to strain this out through cheesecloth. And you can always do this a couple times for any of the infusions that I put on. It's just going to make your infusion last longer. We drink our Blueberry Tarragon Gin however we want to drink it, but I do like it with just a splash of soda water and ice. It's got so much flavor going on already. But try it out in some other gin cocktails and let me know how it goes. Cheers for 1,000 years.